I am thrilled to bring you these fabrics. I love turquoise in the summertime. Love it. Love turquoise and white. I think it's just the prettiest together. So all these 4 fabrics are $10 because we're doing our $10 thing this weekend. This is 100% silk. Can't do it for $10. Paid more than $20, but I am going to do it for $20. So we'll lose a little bit on this fabric, but it's a beautiful fabric and it has turquoise in it. And I just really wanted to bring it to you. So this is 100% silk, Italian silk. It's just lovely. You can see all the little elephant motifs and it's just pretty. It's just a really beautiful print and it's beautiful fabric, 100% silk. That's $20, and then these are all $10 a yard and they coordinate with it. You see a really deep teal here. Love it, and you can see how it goes with all these others, which is really beautiful. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. And then we have a velvet, and you can see that velvet is just really doing well this summer. We can't get it out, but keep in mind that velvet's really easy to sew on. This is not the old velvet. This is the new velvet. And the new velvet is a cotton poly, and it's a stretch in both directions, and it's beautiful to sew with. Just lay everything in one direction, and that's it. It's really nice. It presses beautifully. It's really fun. So if you haven't tried it, try it. It's $10 a yard. You can't go wrong. I think you'll be surprised how fun it is. And just do like a $1.95, like a t-shirt. Be really fun. A cotton poly. This is 100% cotton. This is our waves that we've had in different colors, but that turquoise, isn't that beautiful? Turquoise and the white and the brown. Oh, what a pretty combination. 100% cotton is a woven. This feels like a Lululemon fabric. It just so feels like it's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. It'd be wonderful for a pair of leggings. Just really, really nice, really different, a little teal top or a little silk blouse. What a great combination. So, happy Memorial Day weekend. These are the specials we're having. Happy sewing.